Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the image in Pixlr E for precise control. Duplicate the background layer so you can always undo changes. Then make a loose selection around the object using the lasso or marquee tool. Feather the selection a few pixels to blend edges. Once done, switch to the Remove/Heal tools. This prevents hard edges. You're beginning the actual removal now, not just prepping. So make the selection intentional and slightly larger than the object to include surrounding texture. Now you apply the Heal/Remove tool to replace the object with surrounding pixels. Set the brush a bit larger than the selection edge and paint over the area in short strokes. Pixlr's content-aware algorithm analyzes nearby texture and fills accordingly. Make several passes with varied brush sizes for complex backgrounds. If the automated fill creates repeating patterns or mismatched detail, switch to the clone stamp and sample from clean nearby areas to manually reconstruct patterns, which helps preserve. Finish by refining texture and color so the patch reads naturally. Use Spot Heal for tiny imperfections and a soft smudge or blur to soften any visible seams. Then tweak levels, exposure, or color balance to match the patched area to the rest of the image. Apply adjustments non-destructively on an adjustment layer. If you ever get strange artifacts, undo and work in smaller sections, sampling new clone sources each time. This targeted approach prevents repeating textures and keeps the edit invisible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.